First install the toast stand and then plug in the toilet. After that, a washer and a dryer will stick out at the same time. When they shrink back, the two flashing lights of the indicator are not on. The startup action is completed. After the installation, we use the remote control to operate the cover flipping function and the flushing function. The next step is to test the cleaning function and see if the water temperature is normal. In order to prevent the water in the toilet spout, a baffle needs to be added. Putting the induction bag in the induction area of the toilet, the blue indicator light will be on, indicating that the human body induction is successful. Then the operation of the cleaning function can be carried out. Using remote control to operate female cleaning, press once, which means fixed cleaning, and press twice, that is reciprocating cleaning. When the water temperature is detected, the selection key on the back of the remote control is pressed to adjust the water temperature. The operation is carried out with the addition and subtraction keys. Red represents the highest temperature and green represents the lowest temperature. Next is the drying function. Press the drying button on the remote control. The toilet first performs the decontamination and cleaning of the bottom and then performs the drying function to prevent the occurrence of odors. Next, adjust the wind temperature. The remote control presses the air temperature function button. Red means the highest temperature, green means the lowest temperature. You can feel it by hand and adjust the wind temperature according to your preferences. 10 seconds after the remote control closes the lid, the human body closest to the toilet will automatically sense the flip. That is, when the person approaches it, it will automatically open the lid. This function can be cancelled. Long press the select button on the remote control for 5 seconds. When the indicator light turns red, it turns off the auto induction flip function. Press and hold the select key again for 5 seconds. When the indicator light turns green, it means that the automatic induction flip function is turned on. When turning on the auto sensing function, after using the remote control to cover the lid for 10 seconds, it will automatically open when the human body approaches. If you close it, you can only use the remote control to flip. The toilet is 8 channels, and usually one remote control can control all smart toilets. If you want to pair the toilet and the remote control one by one, first, long press the stop button on the side of the toilet and do NT let go after hearing a bite. Press the cleaning button with the other hand, add a code. Then press and hold the plus and minus signs on the remote control at the same time. Press the flip or turn again. If you can operate the toilet, it means the code is successful. Suggestion: the water test platform is circulating water. If it is used for a long time, the water will be dirty. It is recommended to replace the water once a month. You can unscrew the toilet tube first, drain the water inside, and then replace it with clean water.